In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. If you want clearer insight into what's actually selling in your business, this is a simple and very useful feature to set up. By organizing your products and services correctly and then using them consistently on sales forms, QuickBooks Online can automatically create reports that show you which items are bringing in revenue. That makes it much easier to review performance, spot trends, and make better business decisions. To begin, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From there, look under the Lists section and click Products and Services. This is where you manage the items you sell, whether those are physical products, billable supplies, or services you provide to customers. Next, click New to add each product or service you want to track. QuickBooks will ask you to choose the item type. You'll see options such as Inventory, Non-Inventory, or Service. Choose the one that best fits what you sell. Inventory is typically for products you physically stock. Non-inventory is for items you sell but don't track quantity on hand. And service is for work you perform for customers. Once you choose the correct type, enter a clear name and a price for the item. Using simple, consistent names here is important because these are the labels that will appear later in your reports. After your items are set up, the next part is making sure you actually use them on your sales forms. Whenever you make a sale, create an invoice or a sales receipt, depending on your workflow. On each line of the form, select the correct item from the product or service drop-down menu. This step matters because QuickBooks uses these item selections to track sales accurately. If the wrong item is chosen or if no item is selected, your reports may not reflect your sales correctly. Once everything is entered, save the form or send it to your customer. When you're ready to review your sales, click Reports on the left-hand menu. In the Reports area, find the Sales and Customers group. From there, select Sales by Product Service Summary. If you want to see total sales for each item at a glance, if you want a more detailed view, choose Sales by Product Service Detail to see every individual transaction tied to those items. That's how to track your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. Once this is set up, reporting becomes much easier and much more meaningful.